Top story this evening, even as Arvind Kejriwal fights it out in the courts against investigative agencies seeking bail in the alleged liquor scam, the Delhi Chief Minister has found himself at the center of another flashpoint. After the Aam Aadmi Party claimed his weight reduced by 8.5 kilograms and sugar levels dipped in jail, Tihar authorities have now released a report refuting all of these claims. As per the prison authorities, the Delhi Chief Minister weighed 65 kgs when he was first lodged in jail on the 1st of April. And in fact, his weight increased by 1 kilogram by the time he left jail on interim bail for Lok Sabha campaigning. The Tihar jail report then goes on to claim that Kejriwal's weight is presently 61.5 kilograms, which is just 2 less than what he weighed when he surrendered on the 2nd of June. Now, these figures are in stark contrast to what the Aam Aadmi Party has been claiming. Tihar authorities claim Kejriwal's weight has dropped in prison because he's intentionally not eating food. The AAP says the dip in Kejriwal's weight and sugar levels seriously affects his health, including the possibility of slipping into coma. The Bharatiya Janata Party, on the other hand, claims that AAP should stop lying about the Chief Minister's health to get him out on bail.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को 30 साल से शुगर की बीमारी है, अक्यूट डायबिटीज के पेशेंट हैं वो। पिछले कुछ हफ्तों में उनका शुगर लेवल बहुत खतरनाक लेवल तक गिर गया है कई बार। अगर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को स्ट्रोक आ जाता है, ब्रेन डैमेज हो जाता है, परमानेंट डैमेज हो जाता है, तो उसके लिए कौन जिम्मेदार होगा? ना सिर्फ इतना, 21 मार्च से लेके आज तक अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का वजन 8.5 किलो कम हो गया है।
एक मुख्यमंत्री की मेडिकल रिपोर्ट एक नहीं कई बार जेल प्रशासन जारी कर चुका। आप ये साबित कर रहे हैं कि आप अरविंद केजरीवाल की जिंदगी के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं, उनके जीवन के लिए, उनके जीवन के साथ खिलवाड़ करने के लिए गहरी साजिश रच रहे हैं।
I hope that God bestows very good health and longevity to the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Shri Arvind Kejriwal ji. But I would kindly request him to actually not create such a fuss just to gain bail.
See, as of now, this is not for the first time that Aam Aadmi Party is alleging that Kejriwal's life is in danger and that his health is deteriorating. Earlier also, remember that while Arvind Kejriwal was in Tihar jail, that time also Aam Aadmi Party had said that there's a life threat to Arvind Kejriwal, his sugar level is fluctuating, and in fact his weight is also decreasing continuously. And in fact, yesterday also Atishi held a press conference along with 2 medical experts who said that Arvind Kejriwal's weight is declined by 8.5 kgs, and that now Times Network has accessed the documents and the Tihar jail authorities clearly the documents accessed by Times now shows the weight, blood sugar level and other details of Arvind Kejriwal's health. But important fact over here in the documents that we have accessed is that the allegations that were being made by Aam Aadmi Party are very much contradictory to what the document says, because the document mentions that Arvind Kejriwal's weight was 65 kgs and then when he left and currently his weight is 62 point something.